Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got very beautiful earrings from Meesho for you guys. So I got you covered for Christmas, New Year, or it could be any other occasion, so you can definitely wear this jewelries because it looks beautiful and it's very affordable as well. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first product of this haul is this one. I have like three products inside this small box. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. Oh my god, this particular earrings quality is amazing, and you can hear the noise. They have used like metal, and you can see the finishing. It's so neat, and behind also I'll just show you guys. Behind they have used this kind of metal. It's such a beautiful neck piece, guys. Sorry, not neck piece. It's such a beautiful earrings. So please buy this one, guys. It's so beautiful, and you can see the work here. They have given like a nice work, and looks very different. I really like this finishing also. Not finishing, they have given this beads, right? It looks pretty. Such a amazing, it looks like a designer piece to me. Like, I really like this one. So I am thinking to keep this particular earrings. Let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is just 197 rupees. Can you believe that? This particular earrings quality is amazing, guys. Go for it. Don't even think about it. So the next product which I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, let me show you this one first. This is like a mirror earrings. They have, let me see. Yeah, it's a real mirror, guys. It's not like those plastic mirror. So this is how it looks like. Beautiful earrings again. This particular earrings quality is also nice, so you guys can see it looks nice if you guys wear it on a function wear, or even with kurtis also it looks nice. Amazing quality again. I really like this one as well. The price of this particular earrings is just 188 rupees, and it's very affordable. I would recommend it if you guys like it. I'll provide the product links in the description box. Okay, the next product is, let me show you guys. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. Again, this particular earrings quality is also beautiful. I really like it. So the quality is amazing, guys. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is just 214 rupees. Can you believe that? This particular earrings quality is amazing, guys. Go for it. All the three products were really good from this particular vendor. It's from the same vendor, so I got it in the same box. Okay, let's see what we have next. The next one is this one. This is like a stone earrings. You guys were asking for stone earrings, right? I think I saw like few comments. So this is how it looks like. You can wear it, see, with this color, right? Green color goes really well. So it looks like a peacock, feathers to me. Beautiful earrings. And you can wear this with the function wear saris or dresses. It looks beautiful. Let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is 283 rupees, and they have like 9 more colors. Can you believe that? They have like multiple colors. I'll provide the product links in the description box. If you guys like this product, go for it. The quality is amazing. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box. Okay, this particular earrings is not one of my favorites, but I'll just show you guys. This is how it looks like. I expected little small size, but this is like too big for my liking. I don't know. The product quality is nice, but I felt like it's too big. You can see. I like small hoop earrings. I mean, you guys know that I like dainty pieces, right? So this is like little bigger for my liking. But the quality is nice. Like they have used a good metal, and here if you see, they have given like a shiny, I don't know what is it, guys, but it looks beautiful. Okay, I'll show you the picture. This is how it looks like. It is little small, but in real it's little big. But this product price is 249 rupees, I would say it's affordable. If you guys like it, I'll provide the product links. Just check out and then get this one. Okay, the next product, I got it in this box. It's very lightweight. I don't know what is inside this box. Oh, okay. This is like again dainty piece. This is a beautiful earring, so you guys can see. This kind of earrings is quite trendy. You guys know it. So beautiful earrings. It has like a heart shape with this detailing, and I really like this. Price of this particular earrings is just 141 rupees, guys. Definitely you can go for this. The quality looks really nice. Let's see what we have next. Okay, the next earrings which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box. This is like a little heavy earrings. If you're looking for a good quality earrings for marriages, I think this will be really nice. Let me show you guys. This is one of my favorite because the quality is really beautiful and it's like multicolor. Just look at it. This is like a Chandbali style earrings and looks really beautiful. I really like the quality, so you guys can see it's such a beautiful earrings, guys, and it's really big as well. See, this is how it looks like. I can't wear it and show you guys. I'm really sorry because I have to shoot a lot of videos, so I'm really tired, but I think you can make out right if I keep it like this, how it's gonna look like. So I'll just show you guys close up. Alright, the price of this particular earrings is 263 rupees and it is quite affordable. The quality is really nice. If you guys like it, then I'll provide the product links. If you want it, you can buy from there. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this cover, guys. They have not given any box. This is like a dainty piece. You guys might have seen this kind of earrings, I'm very sure, because this kind of earrings I am like seeing everywhere. I really like the quality of this particular earrings. Just look at it. They have given this heart shape with this hoops. Such a beautiful earrings, guys. This particular earrings quality is amazing. I mean, I'm really surprised. I don't know how they are giving it at less price, at this price. It's easy to open and wear it, so you just have to put it back. And such a beautiful, so it's a cute earrings. Definitely you can have one like this. Of this particular earrings is 257 rupees. I know the price is little high, but this particular earrings quality is really nice. It's quite thick and little heavy, which means it's of a good quality. Always go for this kind of jewelry, guys, because you can wear it for a couple of days. It stays, I mean the color stays. So I would recommend this particular product to you guys. Alright, the last product of this haul is this one. This particular earrings is very nice. So you guys like stone earrings, right? This is like a stone earrings. Let me just show you guys. Just look at this. This is quite similar to the green one which I showed you guys, but this particular earrings, it has like a stone here, you can see, but I think in that it's a bit different. Oops. Okay, I really like the quality of this particular earrings as well. You can wear this with any function wear dresses, for festival functions, for any occasions you can wear this. And white color goes with all the colors, I feel. So this particular earrings quality is also amazing. I'll show you guys behind once. So this is how behind looks like. Particular earrings is just 230 rupees. Definitely you can go for it, guys. The quality is really nice. That's it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload the next video, take care. Bye bye.